Don't talk to me about justice. Don't promise me freedom. Don't whisper revolution. Don't speak of salvation. As I woke this morning, wondered which would I be. Innocent like a child, guilty as a thief. Why do the innocent die? While the guilty walk with pride. There stands a man of war behind castle walls. Preacher of evil stands tall, many men hypnotized. Women left there crying, children by their sides, hoping for redemption, praying for their lives. Why do the innocent die? While the guilty walk with pride. Why do the innocent die? While the guilty walk with, while the guilty walk with, while the guilty walk with pride.